Hi, all you pretty women. Today, let's talk about what is financial independence and why it is important for women. Financial independence is the ability to earn one's own living. It is important for every individual, more so for women to be financially independent. So, let me ask you, who are all these women who should be financially independent? Should they be the one who have just finished studies, or the ones who are stay-at-home moms, or the girls who are waiting to be married and just want to do some pastime? Should they be the ones who are not from so well-to-do backgrounds, or probably the elderly ladies who have finished all their major responsibilities of life and can relax now? Who of all these? Let me tell you, all of these and all of us need to be financially independent, should be financially independent, irrespective of age, marital status, and family background. In today's times, the current generation has to put up with so high a living cost. So it makes sense that every working age member of the family should contribute towards the living cost, should earn that living cost. In India, many women are efficient homemakers and their careers take a back seat when it comes to the entering into the motherhood or taking up some domestic needs which overcome the career goals. What starts with the maternity breaks stretch up into the break in the career itself. So let me tell you few reasons why women should be financially independent. First and foremost is to preempt emergencies. Every family needs to be prepared for the contingency. Layoffs are more frequent. Jobs are not super secure and neither is life. If the husband is the sole breadwinner and wife and kids are dependent on him, then there is a reason to worry about the family. With many families running the risk of multiple EMIs, it makes sense for the lady of the house also to be in the earning position. Second reason is to meet the rising cost of living. Inflation, as we all know, has risen noticeably in past few decades. To own a decent home, to send your kids to a good school, or to maintain an above average standard of living has gone high. Hence, a two-income household can certainly fare better. Women who are financially independent can not only contribute to the everyday expenses of the household, but can also help meet the financial goals of the family. Another reason is to feel responsible and boost morale. Women who are financially independent are capable of taking their own decisions and they are not dependent on anybody. It increases their self-respect and make them more confident to face any situations in life. Many women who are from conservative background are dependent on their partners or their parents to fulfill their dreams and aspirations. Being financially independent enables these women to fulfill their own wishes, be it increasing or enhancing their skill set, or going on a trip with friends, or even shopping for them, buying anything for themselves or their families, and any other such thing which they want to do. Another reason for a woman to be financially independent is to be a role model. No one has to tolerate the domestic violence or abuse, much less because they are financially dependent on their husbands or partners. Hence, it is extremely important for every woman to be financially independent so that they never have to feel helpless in life. A woman who can support her family financially, socially, and emotionally can be a role model to her children and can show them that gender bias is just created by family and doesn't mean anything if a woman is strong, confident, and self reliant. Children do what they see. So, when the children will see that their mother is self sufficient, self reliant, and financially independent, they will also understand the value of money and will be inspired to be self reliant and self sufficient for life. Hence, it doesn't matter whether you are single or married or separated, divorced, or widowed as a woman. You can be at any stage of your life and any age of your life. It is very important for all women to be financially independent so that you can plan and meet your financial goals of life correctly. This will enable you to be happy and successful. That's all for today, ladies. Thank you so very much. You have a great life. Thank you. Bye bye.